Okay, so this is what we got. I went ahead and brought up the product backlog from what we were talking about yesterday, and I changed it so that we now have the 13 PBIs. I subdivided a lot of things into definable tasks, such as the designing and the implementation, and just made a few things a little bit clearer as far as how we should go about making them. I haven't put any of the information, such as like the effort or what iteration they're going to be on yet, but I have. I basically just made the entry for them. So this does not include, however, putting in like the documentation for them. But I at least kind of spelled them out. You know, with the title. The title can pretty much give you all you need to know, and in a sense, you know, for some of the things like, you know, design the UI. I mean, that's pretty self-explanatory. There are a few of them that were in our original list that aren't there yet. But those will be easy to transfer over. So I want to continue working on that over the weekend. And I actually found a little thing from a place called Code Academy that shows you how to connect APIs. So, or connect to APIs. I'm not sure. It doesn't have one on Amazon, but if there's like a common trend, then that'll be fine. You know, just get some kind of idea on how to use an API. So, all
right.
That's what I'll keep doing this weekend up until Tuesday, I guess. What is today? Today's Friday?
Yeah, Friday.
Okay, we should probably talk Monday before we go and meet with the Hastings people, just so that we can, you know, kind of get our stuff together and, you know, make sure that we know what we're going to talk about. So I want to go ahead and try Kim one more time.
The UI, are we gonna present it to them on Tuesday or on Thursday?
We could go ahead and do it on Thursday. It depends on how far we get. Javier, you're working on the interface, right? Javier?
Well, I haven't started working on that yet. I'm still working on the XML file to database.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, well, if
can you hear me?
We can. We'll just see how it looks on, you know, over the weekend. If I get done with these things, like the PBIs, and make Dr. Bab happy with that, then I'll go ahead and start designing the UI if Javier doesn't get to it before me. So.
Okay.
Anyways,
are you going to be uploading the new PBI list to like WT class?
I don't know about WT class. I have it on the TFS right now.
TFS?
Yeah, I have it on TFS.
I'm not able to connect it.
Okay, there is a Cisco client that we can connect to, the VPN client. I don't know why I can't get to the site right now, so probably it's down for maintenance. It is just connect WTAMU.edu. So I don't know why it didn't let you get to it. Javier, do you have the VPN for the university, the Cisco Connect?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
I haven't tried it yet, but I do.
Okay, well you should be able to get into it then. You should be able to get onto our TFS from your house then. If I can, I'll see if I can like copy the installer and give a copy of it to you, or email you a copy of it, Art, if that's cool. Because that way you'll be able to do any of it from the house, from your house. Because I'd hate for you to not be able to code or do any of the documentation unless you're on campus.
Yeah.
Okay, here, I got it here in my files. So I'll see if I can,
Okay.
yeah, VPN downloader exe. There we go. I'll send you a copy of this, through your, if I can, I'll do it through the course mail. That might be too big though, I'm not actually sure.
All right, sounds good.
And I'll go ahead and do that now. Do y'all have anything on what you're going to be doing this week for the project?
I guess I just need to look at that list that you created once I try to connect to TFS and work my way down with the one I'm working right now.
Uh-huh. Okay.
If that's expanded, or if you added more information to that, then I'll just look into that.
Okay. For some of these tasks, I think what we should do is once we get the PBIs in place, we'll go ahead and start assigning tasks to people as they think they can do it.
Yeah.
And we can do that. We can talk about that like Monday, Tuesday, or Thursday, or whenever. Probably if we can do that on Tuesday, I think that'd be good.
All right.
It just depends on how long our Hastings meeting takes. So we should get that started. Get that ball rolling. So.
Okay, sounds good.
Here we are. To Artemio. And there it is, the VPN downloader.
Hey Jay, have you tried connecting from your computer yet?
Yeah, I'm in.
Okay.
Okay, there you go, Art. I just sent you the VPN downloader. If it doesn't work, then just tell me and we'll try something else. But
Okay.
try that sometime this week and see if you can get into everything. So, yeah, I don't really know what else to say. I've pretty much just went in there and made a few more PBIs, and I'll continue to look at those and put the documentation in and put in the effort that I think is going to be required for each of those items. And then we can assign them to iterations later, whatever.
All right. Yeah.
But that's all I know what to do. So.
Okay.
That's good. So our next meeting is on Tuesday?
Yeah. I
Monday.
guess whenever we go to Hastings, that'll be our next meeting. But
okay.
we should at least touch
gonna meet
base
on
on
Tuesday?
Monday. We should at least touch base Monday to see what's going on. Okay.
All right. Yeah, I agree.
Okay. And then whenever we're done with this meeting, I'm going to go ahead and, once it's compiled, of course, I'm going to go ahead and upload the links to Dr. Babb so that he can view them. Because now that I have my computer back, I actually have all the meetings recorded. So.
Yeah.
Hey, can you think of anything else?
No.
No.
Okay. Then I guess we'll just continue doing that then. I know the purpose of this meeting was to kind of catch Kim up, but I guess we'll just go without her this time, and hopefully she'll make it to the next few. So,
yeah.
Will one of you text her and tell her that we're meeting on Monday sometime, and see if you can find a time that she can meet?
Yeah, I'll text her.
Sure.
Okay, I can meet just about any time, so whenever y'all can, that's fine with me. I mean, we all have pretty much the same class schedule, so.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll ask her and then send you a text.
All right. All right, sounds good. So I need to go ahead and get ready to go. I have a lecture thing at 1 in Amarillo, so I will catch up with you guys later, okay? Just keep working on your stuff, and I'll keep working on these PBIs.
Sounds good.
All right. Thanks, guys.
Again, see you Monday.